Have you ever wondered how doctors see inside your body without even opening it up? It's not magic, it's MRI technology, and this stuff is seriously fascinating. Back in the 1970s, engineers and scientists were playing around with magnets and what they could do to improve the technology. They had no idea that they were about to change the world. You see, they were trying to make bigger and better magnets for use in hospitals, but they ended up creating something that was way more powerful than they expected. These strong magnets were able to influence the behavior of water molecules. That's when they realized they had something truly special on their hands. This was the birth of MRI, or magnetic resonance imaging. But how does it work? Well, here's the deal. Our bodies are like 60% water, and MRI machines are like really powerful magnets. When you put those two things together, some pretty crazy stuff happens at the molecular level. See, every molecule has a little magnetic field, and when you put them in a strong magnetic field like the one in an MRI machine, they align themselves with it. But here's the kicker, the machine flips the magnetic field really fast, like 20,000 times a second. So the molecules don't have time to adjust, but that tiny unalignment creates a tiny current. And guess what? That sends out a signal that the MRI machine can pick up. Now, depending on where the signal comes from, the machine knows it's looking at fat, water, or other tissues. By the way, that's why you might hear some clicking sounds during the test. It's the machine taking its picture. But wait, there's more. The machine can also create detailed images of your bones, organs, and tissues. That's because different parts of your body have different kinds of tissue. And the machine can tell the difference between them based on how they respond to the magnetic field. So the next time you need a scan, remember that you're in good hands. Just lie back, relax, and let the MRI machine do its thing. You'll be seeing stars in no time. Have you ever been inside an MRI machine? No, not that one. That's an MRI machine. What about this one? Still not that one. That's an MRI machine. How about this one? Now you're getting it. That's an MRI machine. Inside these machines, powerful magnets and radio waves are used to generate detailed images of the inside of your body without surgery or X-rays. So how does it work? Well, everything in the universe has some sort of magnetic field, including you. When you walk next to each other, those magnetic fields interact. Sometimes they attract each other and sometimes they repel each other. MRI machines use strong magnets to align the magnetic fields of atoms in your body, specifically the ones in the water molecules. When those atomic magnets are aligned, they act like tiny compasses. And just like a compass needle, they can be flipped. MRI machines use radio waves to flip those atomic magnets from north to south. It takes a lot of energy to flip the magnet, but once they're flipped, they want to get back to their original position, and as they do, they release a signal. MRI machines detect those signals and create an image based on them. So what does all that mean? Well, it means that different tissues in your body will generate different signals when they re-hit with radio waves. That's because different tissues have different amounts of water. So the MRI machine can use those signals to distinguish between, say, healthy tissue and cancerous tissue, or it can distinguish between different types of healthy tissue, like fat, muscle, and bone. MRIs are great because they allow doctors to look inside your body without doing surgery or exposing you to radiation like they would with an X-ray. But they're not perfect. For one thing, the images aren't super precise. They're more like a low-resolution image and a pixelated GIF. Also, MRI machines are expensive and they can be intimidating. Some people feel claustrophobic in the tube, and others have metal in their bodies from things like pacemakers or implants, which can't be removed and can interfere with the MRI. Still, MRI technology is improving all the time. And as it gets better and cheaper, we'll be able to see inside our bodies in ways that were once science fiction.